Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to drain the coolant system on the Seat Ibiza 2003. As you can see, there's no antifreeze in here whatsoever. So what we're going to do first is open this cap up. Of course, let the engine cool down as well. Make sure the water is not too hot, otherwise you'll burn yourself. And unlike my Polo that I made a video, this one, oh yeah, I've taken off this under tray, which is held on by 8 torque screws, because we just done the exhaust job on this car. But yeah, so as you can see on this car, it's like a Mark 5 Golf. It has a tap system which you just open up here. You just literally unscrew it and it'll be like a tap system. So I've got a bucket here which I'll be leaving to catch the coolant. I'll be opening the tap. As you can see, it's starting to come up. I'm trying to show you what the tap is right here. So I'm just going to open it up fully and just let the coolant drain out. As you can see, the water's coming out. There's no antifreeze in there whatsoever. It's only a little bit of rust. I'm going to pour some clear water down there as well, just to flush it properly. And then we just wait for the whole system to drain out. One for the G12 coolant, as you can see, because this is kind of draining out now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this coolant through, and then when I see the pink coming out from underneath, I know I can close the tap and start topping up. So what I've done to speed up the process, because it's not like the Polo where you take the whole hose off, I'll just start the engine. I'm making sure this is continuously topped up and not going below minimum. And I'm just waiting for the pink water to start coming out from here, which I think it is now. If you look carefully, it's coming a little bit pink, not fully. I'm just waiting for it to get proper pink. Then I'll switch off the engine. So as you can see, I'm just waiting for it to go down a bit more. And it's coming through pink now. So I'm just going to close the tap. It's literally over here. Like so. Make sure it's closed properly. That's it. I'm just gonna start the car up now. Squeeze all the pipes and test it. We started the car. I'm just gonna, oh yeah, do you want to jump in? Just put the heater on full and hot, yeah? Left the cap off there for a minute. And go around, squeezing all the pipes, making them no air bubbles. Is there hot air coming?
Yeah, hot air.
It's coming, yeah? You sure? Yeah, the hot air is starting to come through, which is good. Just gonna put it on cold. Make sure it cools down. Yep.
Just keep it on exhaust.
No, it's fine. I'll put the AC on just to make sure the cold air is coming through as well. Yeah, it's fine. It's working. I'm gonna switch it back to hot. Yeah, lovely hot air coming through. That means there's no air locks and it's working perfectly. So yeah guys, that's how you replace the coolant and antifreeze on the Seat Ibiza 2003. I'm just going to top this up to the right amount once the car is level, because we're in the air now. Close the cap and job done. So topped up to the right amount. Turned off the heater now. Forgot to add that we have to just wait for the fan to kick in, and then we know the car's good to go. So I'm just waiting for the temperature to build up to 90. I'm just holding the revs up a little bit. So the fan come on now, as you can see, it's on 90 degrees. So I've passed all the tests, so this car's good to go now.